Bright reporting for Type Brief News. Here we are in Tiffany Gardens. We're going to speak with one of the witnesses of the murder.
Yo, I'm so going on, but yo, I'm endorse a thing called backshot of your favorite position, is it? And my thing, is it? Big up my baby mama. Yo, big up my mixtape. My way, I'm a tough, give me everything.
No, dad, eat no, dad.
Give me everything!
Eat no, dad.
What?
I wanna
We have everything, man.
Me a fried chicken with rice and curry gravy. Wanna have that? Give me a Barbie fry with white rice. Wanna say rice? Just send me a water. We have water! No, none of that!
Kevin, come here.
Yes, mommy.
What kind of juice me for make today?
Well, nothing wrong with little mango.
Why, boy? That your pick? Sorry. Come buy a bird for me. Give me. No bag, no grab.
Gimme, girl, gimme wine. Gimme, girl, gimme happy wine. Even if you a freak, me no mind. The whole of them a free, girl, when I ride up on me bike. Boring, girl, me no like, go sit down. Girl, happy round like the base of the drum. Tongue red like any.
Oh, what is? Oh, eat my bread! Why? What me do to you?
Who can say where the road goes, where the day...
Female Studies 101.
I'm hungry. What you have to eat? Mackerels.
Mac, what?
I'm gone home, yeah.
See your girls stay, watch this now.
I'm hungry. What you have to eat?
Well, I have some tinned fish soaked in tomato juice.
Yeah, man.
Then I mix it with some sauteed onions and hot exotic pepper. Oh, yummy.
But she caught me on the counter.
Wasn't me.
Saw me banging on the sofa.
It wasn't me.
I even had her in the shower.
It wasn't me.
She even caught me on camera.
It wasn't me.
She saw the marks on my shoulder.
It wasn't me.
Heard the words that I told her.
Snapchat are your favorite application. WhatsApp give you enough notification. Instagram that good for the nation. Facebook, girl set good for the picture. Hurry up, so me can't put it on Twitter.
Tell me some. Would I never bleach my skin? Never. Everyone takes off, you know? Alright, I'm start bleach now. But yes, sir, I never put on a tattoo. Never. Put on two tattoo, you know?
Belly hurt me, dog.
Alright. Yes.
Yo, for this in my
Love me now. Love me.
Yo, boss, I'm a bigger size than this. No, no, my boss, but the Vans, them, man. Them fit big. Put your foot in that, man. You sure? Put your foot in that thing, my boss. Rock your foot, man. Yeah, man, you that now, man. Know yourself. I'll stretch. Yo, you have a girlfriend? Yeah. Let me see a picture. She up on social media. So how you talk to her? Letter? Oh, where she live? She live in America. Which part of America? Canada. What you say? So she live in Canada. Oh.
Yo, so you fucked the girl? Yeah, I fucked her. You know, I told you I fucked her. You get that sound backers? No, I didn't backhand her. What? I'm not abusive. No, backers. No, I didn't hit her. Backers, youth. Backers. Oh. Wait, what? No, watch that girl. Watch her. Watch how she just not need no ground cause she fly. Watch her. She not need ground, you know? She use Axe body wash and watch her. Watch how she just sit down and just change her mind. Just so. Me blood clot.
Blingers. Yeah. Timeless. For 6, all dancers. Remember. Everybody with him and take for yourself. Spin with
Every day on a yam of man blood clot food. And guess what no? You wanna? Only I got ask this one time in a pussy world. When me jerk pot there. And also thief. Honest a thief. Belly just not full. You, don't yes sir. You love run off with man food, pussy.
Mommy, what I cook for dinner?
What me I cook? What me I cook? Me just come from work for 5 minutes good. And the first thing you ask me is what me I cook? Want to mommy, alright? How is it there? Nothing. Shit me I cook shit.
Mommy, can I borrow a lighter?
Oh, you want lighter? So you smoke now? Alright, smoke the ganja, yeah. But when you start going around, start pardon boy there, I go kill man, and a prison I go. And don't expect me to come look for you. Cause me not getting a lighter to make you turn a criminal in my house. Me like the stove. Imagine me say me go cook for them dirty pit here. Plate wash, sink clean. Stove full of dirty pot. Only thing me go wash pot then cook is either or either. Food can't cook in a dirty pot, nor it can't cook in a plate. But you lucky at my bed, me gone.
Harry?
Yes, mommy?
Come here.
Yes, mommy. Me not tell her to stop bring that thieving girl to my house. Every day she come and eat out the whole of my food. Mommy take time and talk now. With her long belly. Me want friend her and beat her body till she shape good. Tell the dried girl to come out of my house. Hold on, girl. May I catch up my ear? May I put it on loudspeaker? Keisha. So the bar closed girl still up at your house? No. Which girl you talking about? Now you tell me so the girl not stop bar your clothes. She don't right, you so. What you do? Nothing. But just ensure say you not look no and a girl in your dreams.
If you fuck her, you fuck her. Just tell me the truth. I'm not gonna feel no way. Yes. Susan! Sorry. A reflex. How much time you fuck her? Nah, answer that. I'm not gonna lick you. 3 times. Susan! Susan!
You want your proper fix? Call me. You want to get your kicks? Call me. You want your cheese sticks? Call me. Made up the remix? Call me. From the other day, like I play some boy I play.
Babes, you know say I have a dream so I have a threesome last night. Oh really? Yeah. How was it? You good? So now me I wonder like if you sleep good last night, you sleep good last night. Why John breath always smell like body? Brother, me no know if a tree mother talk shit, make him mouth smell like shit. Me no know. Brother, the man breath smell like town and rainfall, my friend. Believe me, man. Yo, see me coming up, see me. Dog, but just the reason about it, brother. You gotta live a long youth.
You want something?
Yo, you better say yes in the dark, cause right now me hungry no bum buckle hot.
Don't listen to him.
Yo!
My mind's telling me no, but my body's telling me
No man, me good.
the bum buckle hot, do you dog?
Good evening, Jamaica. My name is Fabian Johnson. I am currently a student of Crossgrove High where I study a mixture of arts and sciences. In the future, I hope to become a lawyer, a policeman, a teacher, a doctor, or a neurosurgeon. Thank you. I don't know if it's Jamaican men alone do this, but whenever we're talking to a girl we like, a girl we rate, we head does always seem to get heavy and lean to her. What you say? I like you, you're cute, you know. Watch Famous. Famous know what I talk about. Watch you lean.
Yes, it's Jamaica and others. Yes, they're under marks. I see them exchanging words. Gonna win, huh? Let's go with the floor. Oh no! The Jamaicans are still dancing! Oh whoa! How did they win the race? It's astonishing! It's unbelievable!
Me never sell furniture, me never wanna share. Gyal a laugh and gyal a cheer, cause them know you faker than the fingernail where gyal a wear. Oh, she have the gun where
When in Jamaica, come, use up the arm. Jamaica with me. Use up the arm. Use up the arm out of the gully back. But don't stop, run straight back at Trelawney. Go on, yes. Yeah, boy, you see me, I could go and take the cover off iPad for. Give me a boy, come cover up at the piece.
Me no know her.
So why should I mention it on IG? Yeah, girl, done him. Go down, what? Go down here, man, there. Nee. Every fucking day come, now I'm gonna have you there, so. We are there, so. You can't. Long like ding dang stang. You can fucking parasite. Come go on, man.
Alright, come here. Yo, I can't body nice, brother. I want to read, man. So, come on, boss. Come here. Yo, drive on a 2 that road. Come on, road, man. Come on, road. Come here, man. Yo, be my rush, man. That's one more than
Sketchy. Everybody know. Grandpa, grandpa. Everybody wanna do the grandpa. Watch it now. Grandma, grandma, Everybody wanna do the grandma. Watch it, baby, baby, Everybody wanna do the baby. Watch it now, Prince Pine, Prince Pine,
So go back, keep it in the yard. You know I take no food from the man. But daddy, me hungry. It's no food. Alright. Yes.
Boy, Jeffy, boy, get big man. Why you look like you're hungry, so young one? You want something to eat? You don't want some water to drink?
Types of Jamaican accent. Watch it now. Uptown. Is this yours? Regular Jamaican. Watch it now. After this, downtown Kingston. A yarn? Say for yarn. Watch it now. Mobe. Bendiga, say for yours. Send it. Bendiga, say for yours. Me say me Bendiga. Yo, dog! Yeah! We're so far. We're probably there right now. We're there, Hello? Yeah, dad. I food right here right now. We don't know what we're gonna eat. Hello? Yeah, dad.
Dog, me I come right now, dog. Right now, I'm soon forward. Dep on my way right now. Come outside, brother.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
Come outside.
Oh my god. Stop fucking lying.
Dudes with tall girlfriends be walking in the street like, yeah, me did tell her say if you want to hold my hand up for wearing her heels, cause
It look like you're babysit me still, cause you're tall, is it?
I mean, what do you want me to do? I can't do anything about
Yeah,
it.
man, me where you say still, is it? Just
Come boy, jump that fence. Jump that fence, don't stop. Why you rest? Come on. Swing, 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 swing. Block it, over, alright. Fence, run, right through, don't stop. Rest time. Good job, tomorrow. Me say, look here, look man. Them pick them straight things and me I go walk back at them and put up them things every time, you know. But it soon stop here, them feel them up helper. Don't fall up them here. Watch man, that top I'll press in uniform them too. Watch man, them feel them up helper. One day me I go stop here. One deal! Yeah? 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 Who name yeah? Me can carry on my belly for 9 months and you call me yeah? Yes, mother! Me rotted, me gone from mother to yeah now. Yeah.